and every one of you, our runners, partners, sponsors, and friends from different walks of life for being here today to join us in this historic event,
here at Manchester,
the Philippine Marine Corps Karangalan Marathon 2025. This is in celebration of the 75th birthday of the Philippine Marine Corps. Today is not just an ordinary marathon. This is the first time in the history of the Philippine Marine Corps and even in our armed forces that we are holding a 6-leg nationwide simultaneous marathon. So habang tumatakbo tayo rito sa Subic, Bataan Lake, sabay-sabay din silang tumatakbo sa mga iba pang legs nitong marathon na to. Katulad ng Lawag City, doon sila sa BGC Manila, sa Zamboanga, sa Cotabato, at sa Tawi-Tawi. So ang lahat na ito ay 6 na lugar na may isang diwa at isang layunin. At sa bawat hakbang ninyo, tandaan ninyo, you are running for a cause. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa speed o sa medalya na matatanggap nyo pagkatapos ng takbo. This marathon is dedicated to our fallen comrades, our Marines who gave their lives in the line of duty, and to our wounded soldiers who continue to fight their own silent battles after the war. Ang proceeds ng marathon na ito ay ilalaan para sa mga pamilya at dependents ng mga nasawi nating kasamahan at mga nasugatang sundalo na patuloy nating tinutulungan. Kaya bawat pawis at bawat kilometro na itatakbo ninyo ngayon ay isang hakbang para sa kanilang kinabukasan. Others, Marines, civilians, and partners, remember that today you are part of history. This is not just a race, it's a legacy run. A run of service, sacrifice, and solidarity. Kaya sa ating lahat, enjoy the run, embrace the purpose, and carry the Marine spirit with pride. Let's run not only with our feet, but with our hearts para sa ating bayaning Marino, para sa ating mga kapamilya, at para sa ating bayan. Maraming salamat, mabuhay ang Philippine Marine Corps, at mabuhay tayong lahat.
Here at Manchester is brilliant.
There's people everywhere, which really gets you through when it's really tough. It was brilliant.
Coast Guard. Ayan, okay. Ano pangalan mo, sir? John Ray Moreno! Parang pangalan si John Ray Moreno. Official time, 49 minutes, 16.1. Ayan. Team United. Ano na pangalan mo, Riha? Hard of Improvement. Wow, ano ba po? So marami pala. Akala ko, Region East Fernando lang. Marami palang members ng all over. Okay. Divine. Okay, si Divine. To win is divine. Malakas. Pangalan mo, Marta. Gabriel Maga. Okay, representing
congratulations. But hindi magiging successful itong event na to without the support ng babanggitin ko na lang lahat. Okay. Unang-una, yung ating kapartner dito sa takbuhang ito ng PMC Marathon Subic, Batandag, yung J-Run. Palakpakan natin sila. Of course, yung venue natin from Ocean Adventure ng Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority. Palakpakan din natin sila. And among the runners na recognize naman kanina, you are from Zambales. Of course, we would like to recognize the province of Zambales and its municipalities joining us, sumuporta dito sa patakbo natin na karangalan na PMC Marathon 2025. Of course, pagkitin ko na rin yung mga nag-participate ng mga organization, training institution na nagpadala ng kanilang mga nakilahok dito sa patakbo natin ito. Unahin na lang natin yung pinakamalayo, ang Philippine Military Academy. Palakpakan natin sila. And Philippine Merchant Marine Academy, PMMA. Naval Education Doctrine and Training Command. Yung Officer Candidate School ng Philippine Army, palakpakan din natin sila. At nanggaling din sa Bulacan, yung 1st Scout Ranger Regiment. At nanggaling sa kung saan-saang sulok ng ating ng Luzon, yung ating mga Philippine Coast Guard runners. Manila, nabanggit ko lang. Yung mga galing sa OB Montessori, yung UST Golden Cross and Saber Alumni Association Incorporated, at yung mga local organizations, yung mga runners, yung Vintage Runners, yung Tritons, yung Titans, palakpakan natin sila. Pareto Runners. And of course, yung suporta ng lahat ng units ng Combat Support Brigade. Nakita naman natin yung pag nagtulong-tulong tayo, talagang magiging maganda yung resulta ng ating pagtutulungan. Of course, yung Naval Installation Facility Zambales. Maraming salamat. And sa suporta din ng ating higher headquarters, sa mga pinadala nilang buses na naghatid sundo sa ating mga runners from SBMA, papunta dito and back. And of course, yung suporta din ng ating province Bataan and Olongapo, Subic, Hermosa, Iba, and yung natin, yung Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority. Dapat sana pupunta dito si chairman ng SBMA, pero rain check siguro. Dahil sa So, hanggang sa muli, sa susunod na taon, sana ay mag-ano pa rin kayo, mag-participate kayo. And congratulations sa lahat ng mga nanalo. Sana ay uuwi kayo ng inyong mga respective na mga kampo o headquarters o lugar na may ngiti sa inyong mukha. No? I guess the objective of this PMC Marathon 2025 ay na-achieve natin. Actually, sold out doon sa Marine Barracks Regional Ground. Sold out din tayo dito. And with that, congratulations and ingat sa inyong pagbalik kung saan man kayo patungo. No? Hindi naman tayo nagmamadali. Dahan-dahan lang. Ang mahalaga, makarating tayo sa mga ating babalikan na safe and masaya tayo. Okay, thank you. Maraming salamat.
atmosphere at Manchester is brilliant.
There was people everywhere, which really gets you through when it's really tough. It was brilliant.